Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about documenting your travel while you're camping. We wanted to document our camping with reference to how the campground was, what foods we made there, and how the weather was, and which campsites provided basic amenities like electric, water, sewer, and such. There are a lot of journals that you can buy at Amazon. And so I just wanted to let you know that you have some commercial journals as well. But here are some ideas to kind of repurpose things that you still have lying around your house. So this is an old planner that I had lying around. If you see, this is 2020 and 2021, so it still can be used. But I was using something different, so I used this as my camping journal. We just stuck a camping photo in there, a picture, and then the same thing in here. The feature that I like about this journal is the yearly view that it has. So in the yearly view, you can clearly highlight the weeks or the days that you're going out camping. That's the thing that I like about this planner. And then this is how you can document your camping trip. These are the cards, these are the printouts that you can get on Google, and you can print it out and just stick it to the paper we stuck it with some beautiful washi tape that we had lying around. And then basically you just have your site location, the site number, what the weather was like, the date, the activities you did, the food, and then of course your campground rating. This just appeared to me to be too time consuming. And you had to print something, you had to stick something. So this just wasn't working out for us. So then the next thing that was easier for me to document things was this really moleskin book that was lying around the house. And this is just a basic squared or a graphed moleskin book. And this is how we set, and this was the easiest way for us to document. So let me take you a little bit closer. So this is how we documented. I just put the site number here, the place where we went here, the food, what the weather was, what the amenities were, and what did we do, and then our rating. And then let me just do a flip through. And if you would, you could put stickers here with the Happy Planner stickers, or even Dollar Tree stickers. I have some Project Life cards lying around. I could put those in. Or if you have a Polaroid camera, or you can print out the pictures from your travels and stick them there. If not, you can just leave it like that. Let me do a flip through of the sites that we've been. And if you see, I'm not really great at putting a dialog box. But then I really found out that I was not really great. So I just listed it out there just like that. And if you see here, this was an extremely primitive site with no electricity, water, or sewer. And we still gave it a 4-star rating because we really liked it there. This was the Zion campground that we went to. There was a lot of hiking. And we went to Bryce Canyon from Zion. The weather was really good. This was a December trip, and we were camping with our friends, so we just put a 5-star there. This is a Silverwood Lake. This is a local place that we went to, and this is just how. This is a Palm Springs camping that I still have to do, and then this is the next camping trip that we're gonna take. So you can just really customize it according to however you like it. And I really like this way because I can just take this journal one pen or whatever color that I want to, and then just one simple black pen, and I can take it to me when I'm camping in my trailer, and we can just do it then. Or you can just take these colored Crayola markers, and then you can do your camping that way. You can either take the fancy washi tape roll and you can go all fancy, but I think the simple way is better for us. Anyhow, let me know what your tips and tricks are for camping journals, and please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you back with the next video. Thank you.